Okay, what's going on YouTube? Check it out. This is Donnie Fleshman representing Good Stuff Industries. So I've made it. I'm on my way. Some may have forgot about me. I almost forgot about myself. Man, I tell you, this social media is awesome. I cannot wait to the friends that I'm going to meet out there. I cannot wait to share what I've learned by self-educating myself through this YouTube, through these cool little higher learning things that I've been clicking on and finding out. I want to thank YouTube very much for the monetization that I've been able to accomplish. I'm just astonished by it all. I mean, who'd have thought? Who would have thought it? Who could have thunk it? Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for all the opportunities. Thank you for all the positive thoughts, all the positive prayers. Keep the power going. You too have good stuff in you. Thanks again.